I am so honored to be here with Chef Dominique, Lexington Betty in the house, Pitmaster, smoke, fire, you name it. She does it. She makes the meat, she fires it up. It tastes good. She's bringing good home style cooking. What are we firing up today at the Windy City Smokeout?
Well, first of all, I'm so happy to see you all the time and your beautiful family. Today we are doing the wagyu beef franks, which you're very familiar with.
Yes, I am.
And also some baby back ribs.
I want my baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back, baby back. Dominique's baby back ribs. Here at Windy City Smokeout.
Baby back ribs. And barbecue sauce.
And a wagyu dog.
And a wagyu dog.
Yeah, so you guys can hire us. Not only do we do catering, but we do entertainment
Absolutely.
at the catering.
In fact, we're going to try to perform here next year.
Yes, next year.
Yes.
Who needs the Blues Brothers? We got us.
Well,
right?
I like the Blues Brothers a lot, but we're a good act too.
We're a good act
too.
too.
Just come.
Yep. So you've got the baby back ribs going. What makes a good rib?
What makes a good rib? You know, always the flavor profile, always some nice clean smoke, and the texture.
So when I judge barbecues, a lot of people always say that bite test.
Yes.
You know, and a lot of people don't get it. People are like, oh, it just all fell off the bone. You don't want that, right?
No.
What do you want? I know what you want, but let's tell everybody what you want.
That's funny because I had a cousin come pick up some ribs from the restaurant. Like, I got some ribs, they're kind of overcooked. You're going to love them, but they're kind of falling off the bone. And she's like, I don't understand. Like, why would someone not want their ribs falling off the bone? I said, look, that's how we grew up eating. Fall off the bone ribs, right? But there's some texture that you want, a nice bite, a beautiful integrity. It's just perfection when you bite into it.
Okay, last and final question. This one's a difficult one. Where are you going to eat in Chicago? Where?
In Chicago, where am I gonna eat? Ooh, it always changes. But
What's your hot spot now?
my hot spot right now, okay, my bakery hot spot right now is Justice of the Pies. My sit down, fine dining hot spot right now is Virtue. And my spot to go to when I'm entertaining Pitmaster friends is Frontier.
You know what? Brian Jupiter does an amazing job.
Oh, I just entertained friends at El Che. Love El Che.
LJ, free steak sandwiches. They're free. Free steak sandwiches for everyone. That steak sandwich is one of the most amazing. And recently we were at an event and we were cooking next to him. Here we are, we're up in Platinum VIP and someone goes, LJ steak sandwich? They're still free. I have not paid for one of those steak sandwiches. So let's keep it riding, John. Keep those steak sandwiches coming.
Love you, John.
Make sure you go out to the restaurant. You have built such a community in the area. You know, most restaurants open up in popular areas. You are making the area popular because you're there.
Thank you so much.
Make sure you go out and visit Chef. Amazing food, amazing barbecue. She's hanging with the boys. She's beating on TV shows.
The boys are hanging with me.
That's it. It's all changed right now. You know, she used to be like the little sister in the back seat. She's driving the bus. Get on the barbecue bus because she's driving right there.